Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today's a special one. We're here with Joakim from FiskSkaldjur, and we're at the the fish auction in Gothenburg. We're going to film here today when Joakim is buying probably some shrimps, and we'll see maybe some other stuff, but for sure shrimps.
Yeah, so we're here today. It's a unique auction, with a physical one, which is the one of very, very few that's left in Scandinavia at least. So it's a unique place with really good and high quality seafood. Probably the best in at least in northern Europe. So welcome.
And it's a bit of a pity because the weather has been quite bad. It's been a lot of wind, so there probably won't be too much at the auction today. But we'll see what we find inside. Let's go.
What you want to look for is a good taste, a nice salty taste, and good quality shrimp, which is thick and nice texture. A very fresh and fine shrimp. Because the Swedish shrimp is very unique. It's a very special taste compared to other shrimps in the world. It's a little bit smaller, but they're cooked on a boat in different ways. Different boat cooking in different ways, but at the end we have a product that is very unique and special with its saltiness and with its nice taste of the sea. And here we have a shrimp from Gullmarsfjorden. This is a very unique shrimp. There is a special place at the west coast in Sweden where they fish this shrimp. There's only 2 boats fishing in that the place in the sea in Gullmarsfjorden. So then you get a very unique and special taste. It's a different flora in that place. So here we have the Swedish Langoustine, which is there is a lot of Swedish Langoustines in the Gothenburg fish auction, and you have for every pallet there is one different boat, and you have also different sizes. For example, you have the extra large, the langoustine, and then you have a little tinier one. There's different sizes, and also there is also these bunch of langoustines. When the langoustine is a little bit destroyed in the head or with the claws, they usually just break it off the tail, and you have a different product. And then also, of course, here we have different boats with different qualities. And how they take care of the langoustine. Here's some other missing claw, and we have also how they put them in the box. Basically, how they take care of the product. And of course, it's caught in different places with different kind of catching techniques. So you have the tins, basically the nets, and then you have the trawl with taking everything with this trawl. So there is a different way of catching it on, and that's also where gets different qualities of the product. So, for example, we see here, this is from FG 31. This is from Falkenberg, more south, in the west coast of Sweden. And here is a boat from Gothenburg. So, in today's auction, we have not too much fish. It's a little bit less fish. Today it's been very windy. But then, of course, you have different kind of fish. This is saithe, what we have here, and then we have the cod and some hay, and then this is put out. And as the langoustines, we have different boats for each pallet that's been catching both the Swedish squid and also the hay. And here we have also different boats with different qualities and also different catching dates. So there is it's a huge difference. And when it's a little bit less fish like this, it's you need to be even more detailed in what you buy, because it can be. And you also have to always. That's the thing that when we are able to buy this physically in this auction, we have the opportunity to look at the fish and see the quality. When it's from a internet auction, you only see the kind of quality and the weight, but here you can really look at fish. So here at the auction, you have different buyers. There is both wholesale and there is fishmongers, and you also have different kind of companies and seafood buyers. And of course, there is different volumes and different quantity in what they buy. And usually, you have the fishmongers which buy the very finest, the nicest products, and then of course the wholesale, which needs to buy the quantity, and then they get a more broad quality in their purchase. But you know, all the people here, they know each other. They've been bidding against each other for 20 plus years. So there is a unique culture here with you know, many different characters, and when you get to know them, you have like a really a good understanding with each other.
240. Tack så mycket.
Okay, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to experience the fish auction in Gothenburg. And I'm from Gothenburg originally, but I've never seen it. I always knew it was here, but I've never experienced it. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. I will for sure buy more seafood from you in Switzerland, because he delivers. If you don't know that, I live in Switzerland, but I'm Swedish, and he started about 2 years ago to deliver fresh seafood every Friday. So I'm a big customer of his, because it's just much better than the seafood you find in Switzerland. Thank you, Joakim.
Later. Cheers.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.